Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make this dessert that is something that you can make for your whole family. It's easy and it's something that can stretch, okay, especially when you buy this ice cream since it's a small little paint. And this is strawberry cheesecake and this is some graham crackers. I got both of these at Kroger's, so let's get started. Okay you guys, so now what I'm about to do, I'm about to open these graham crackers. I love these graham crackers. The honey, they have chocolate, cinnamon, and original. I love the honey. Okay. So what we're going to do is break the graham cracker in half if you can, like that. I don't, y'all hear that bag rattling? That's Binks. Binks, what you doing? Always getting into stuff. Okay. You ain't gonna put no more work on me, gal. Okay, I just got a little top here. I'm gonna put my graham crackers on this top. Okay. Okay, ouch. And get you a little Ziploc bag. It's just something easy. And like I said, this is the strawberry cheesecake Ben & Jerry, or you can use any strawberry ice cream or vanilla ice cream. It doesn't matter, but I'm going to use this one. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take a spoon some out, and let it sit for room temperature, you guys, for a few minutes. And gently put it on the graham cracker because it will crack or break. Have a little plastic knife and sort of spread it as much as you can. The key to this is letting it sit out just room temperature, just a little bit. And try to get it over much of the cracker as you can. Okay. Similar to this. And then you put it in here. And you put it in a Ziploc bag because you're going to put these back in the freezer. Okay. And this can be for individual snacks, or you or your kiddos, you want something, you just go in there in that Ziploc bag, you guys, and go get you some of this ice cream. It's going to taste just like strawberry cheesecake, because as you know, the crust of the strawberry cheesecake is the graham cracker. Okay. I don't know what this Binker wants. She messing with stuff in here. So therefore, when you get a little ice cream like this, you guys, it can stretch it when you make individual desserts like this. Because one person can just eat that paint in just one whop. So this is something to stretch it. And put it in there. Ice cream, ice cream. Okay. So, yeah, and just keep repeating it over and over until you can make how many that you or your family like. And these are so good. I started making these like the pandemic to stretch my dollar, because everything was closed and you really didn't have access to anything. So to stretch my ice cream, I just would make this little quick dessert. So I have one more to go. You can put how much ice cream you want on there. Or how less, depending on what you like. So I'm gonna just make me these 4, and I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. So when I got taste for something sweet, I can go in there and just grab me 1 or 2. Okay. And therefore my ice cream can stretch. So yeah, it's something easy, quick, and it can be in your budget. Okay, you guys. If you make them too thick, they will break once you put the graham cracker on there. Okay. And when you try to bite it, it will break. Okay. So just be mindful. So here's my dessert. Strawberry cheesecake with the graham cracker. Okay, you guys. So I got my 4. I'm gonna close this Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna put these boys back in the freezer for a late night snack for me. And I thank you guys for watching, and bye bye for now.